Willkommen in Neuschwanstein, Bavaria, Deutschland. Welcome to the Neuschwanstein Castle, nestled deep in the Bavarian Alps of southern Germany. The castle itself dates back to 1869 and was built by King Ludwig II of Bavaria. International travel is one of the great joys of life, and a passport is your ticket to overseas travel. In fact, you can't even fly or even drive to Canada or Mexico without a valid passport. Here's a couple helpful reminders about traveling overseas with your passport. First, check the validity. Most countries require that your passport be valid for at least 6 months beyond your return to the United States. And second, always keep 3 copies of the information page of your passport. That's the page with your photo and personal information. The first copy should be a photocopy. Make 2 of them, one to put in your suitcase and one to keep in your carry-ons. The second copy is a photocopy on your cell phone, and keep that in your gallery of photos. The third copy should be a download of that cell phone photo. Keep that in your personal server back home. Now, why 3 copies? In the unlikely event that your passport is lost or stolen, you cannot return home until you get a replacement at an applicable U.S. consulate or embassy somewhere around the world. Now, you'll have to go into the office in person for the replacement, and you can't just say, hey, I'm Larry, I need a U.S. passport. You have to prove your identity and prove your citizenship. If you have a photocopy from any of the 3 sources, you can generally get a replacement in 1 or 2 days. Without that copy, it could take 1 or 2 weeks or even longer before you can return home. Now, why 3 copies? Well, one is if your passport is lost or stolen, you have to get a replacement. But what if the photocopies, what if the cell phone is lost or stolen? You still have that downloaded copy. And for the best travel deals on the planet, give us a call at Morris Columbus Travel.